Today I'm giving you 3 content creation tips for creatives to make your process easier and more effective, with a little bonus tip at the end. Tip number 1, schedule content days, preferably once a week where your only focus is making content. Making this a habit can take away the stress of feeling like you constantly have to be on and keep you on track with your content creation goals. Tip number 2, plan your shots. Planning your shots makes the filming and editing process more effective. Think about the goal of your content. Is it for your followers to get to know you better, or do you want them to check out your latest work? Tip number 3, don't limit yourself. Be dynamic with your shots and film a lot. If you get an idea on the spot, capture it even if it's not a part of your plan. This will give you more shots to work with, and even if you don't use it straight away, you might be able to use it for something later. Bonus tip, your face doesn't always have to be in the frame. Here's an example of content that I made for the artist young Cisto. I hope these tips help you on your content creation journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.